Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use AI art generator or AI tools and also ChatGPT to help you create website design. Let's start by open one of a powerful tool, a powerful website. This is the Mid Journey. Don't forget to sign in with your account, and you can describe your ideas and generate. So here you can search tools text to image, and here you can try to explain that you want to sell, explain your product. So here I want to try a neon theme mountaineering equipment. Just simply click generate. The more sentence, the more word that you can describe, the more details the result. And here we go, we just got a product here, for example. And here, for example, I want to get the detail. I want to get the result, the detailed result. Click to generate, and here we go. This is the top result. So you can simply download. Just click download button, and here we go. I want to download just 2, maybe 4. Let's try with this one and this one. So after that, you can go to the ChatGPT in order to create your introduction or marketing a outline. For example, this one, marketing selling word for online product. So you can start with the persuasive, trust, urgency, only a few left. For example, best price, effortless, all-in-one solution, for example. And after you're done with this ChatGPT, you can be creative. Now you can open Wix Studio. Again, don't forget to sign in with your account. So you can choose the template, or you can start with blank canvas. If you want to start from the scratch, you can edit this blank canvas, or if you want to start with the templates, you can go with this one. So let's start with this one. For example, let's click edit the template, and here we go. So this is my last site, so I have been practicing with this. So here you can delete or change the template. For example, click to change the image, and you can upload your image here by click upload media and search or upload from your computer. And here we go. So here you can upload all 4 images. And here we go. So you can change with this one. Click update and reposition. And here we go. You can also add image here. And here click change image and choose your image, update. So here we go. So you can try to edit the text. Here we go. So for example, this one, flash sale, copy, then click to edit the text. And here we go, flash sale. So you can align or arrange, bring to front, and you can try to readjust the position, and also try to increase the text size you can consider to a sorry, you can add section here. So here we go. More or less, you can be more creative than me, so this is the way you can do it. So only with the Midjourney, ChatGPT and Wix Studio in order to create beautiful website quickly. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click next button below. See you in the next video.